Namaste, Soul Tribe, spiritual healer, back to give you guys a message. Hi, my beautiful Aries, my baby bosses, my kings and queens. Thank you so much for being here and joining me for this message. Okay, so my loves, I got some channel messages and I wrote them down, so bear with me here. There's a lot of messages that I got for you guys. Okay, the first message is, there is a past family member that's trying to get your attention. So this is a family member that passed away, and this family member is trying to get your attention. It's trying to give you some sort of message, trying to tell you something. This family member could be coming in the form of a bird. This family member could be coming to visit you in the form of a bird. This family member could be accessing your lights in your home, making your lights flicker. Your ancestors trying to show you something. Check your light fixture. There might be some sort of listening device around your light fixtures. That's what I heard, and that's a specific message for someone. Also, I got a message about a past loved one that passed away. It could have been a brother, could have been a son, could have been a father, could have been a grandmother, a grandfather, or a cousin. This person that passed away was poisoned, or this person was murdered, or this person was killed in some sort of way. These people made it look like this person died of natural causes, or that this person committed suicide, or that they didn't know how this person died. But that's a lie. Some sort of evidence or proof is coming out to the light about somebody orchestrating someone's death here. Okay, and that's coming up in this upcoming energy. You're going to be finding out the truth about who was really responsible for this loved one's death. That's not for everybody. Just take the message that resonates, leave the rest, guys. This is channel messages, and there's a lot of messages, different messages that might resonate with you or someone else here. Okay, so this family member or this loved one that passed away, and these people like literally took this person's life and made it look like an accident, or they didn't know what happened to this person. It's like this person's spirit is haunting this family member or this person that's close to you. They're being haunted by the spirit of someone that they literally had something to do with their death here. Okay? These family members are under heavy spiritual judgment. Light a white candle for your family member. Light a white candle for your family member. If you had a family member that passed away under suspicious circumstances, or a loved one, light a candle for them. This is what I'm getting. Also, I'm getting that you guys have access granted. So you're being granted access to something, or something's being approved, something's being paid out, or you're being accepted for something. This could be for a home, a loan. You could be winning a court case, having something go in your favor, and you get a payout. You've been waiting on something to go in your favor. Or if you've been waiting for something to be approved, this is going to be approved. Access granted. And there's going to be a domino effect after this happens, okay? Because you guys decided to turn your pain into power. You decided to heal. You decided to go within. You're being celebrated in the higher realms by your ancestors. And these people, they used every trick against you. They used every lie against you. They used every spell against you. And you defeated all of it through wisdom, self-love, and courage. There's no going back to that, okay? There's no going back to the past and who you was before. You are empowered yourself with your knowledge, with your gifts, with knowing who you are, with accomplishing. You accomplished something, you accomplished a goal, and be proud of yourself. Let that motivate you to move forward. Let that keep you going. So I heard the Eye of the Tiger song by Rocky. Dun, 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 dun. The Eye of the Tiger. Dun. Okay, so some of you guys might like that song. You might have been watching the movie Rocky. You like that movie, or you resonate with that. Or the Eye of the Tiger is that you guys have like you're very intuitive. It's almost like you can see through people's false personas. You have something is like powerful with your gift of sight. You have an ability to foresee things happening. You can see through people's energy, or you can feel their auras. The Eye of the Tiger could be that you guys need to get a tiger eye crystal. A tiger eye crystal wards off bad energy and is very good to have around you in your space, in your home, or on your body. There's a portal that activated here. So during this full moon, there was some sort of portal that was activated here to 5D. This portal that has activated due to you guys assisting Mother Earth with higher vibrations. You guys could be helping other people awaken. Yeah, and there's a huge shift going on in Mother Earth. So I heard like the heavy rain, heavy storms, flooding, this like power outages, a lot of supernatural events or like supernatural weather happening around the earth right now. I heard California because this is actually happening in California, but and this is also happening in different parts of the world, like volcanoes erupting. The earth is really shifting, guys. Wow. All right. So these individuals are drawn to you because of your light. These individuals are like the moths to a flame. They know you have sacred knowledge. They know you have sacred power. Even if you go out to the grocery store, to the gas station, to the laundromat, if you're in wherever you are, you could be in traffic. You notice that people stare at you or they're like they're drawn to you. You don't even know someone. They could like walk right up on you, look at you in your eyes and your face, and then like you're just like, what the hell? And then they just turn around and walk away because they looked all up in your face. These people, they're being body snatched, so be careful. These are shapeshifters in the matrix right now that are drawn to the chosen ones. They know who we are. Okay, just know that. They can't hurt you or harm you, but yeah, protect your energy from these sort of people. These people are drifters, so they're basically lost in the matrix. They don't know what their purpose is. They don't have a purpose, or they're like soulless beings. They're only in the matrix to block the chosen ones. Okay, be aware because they're all drawn to you light, but they also want to figure you out. They want to figure you out so they can ruin you. Okay, so be careful. Somebody wants you to self-sabotage. You have a narcissistic ex and a family member that could have been hooking up together, and they wanted to ruin your life. Okay, they wanted to somehow they've been talking about you, gossiping about what you have going on, okay, whatever you're doing spiritually. But there's also a ex of yours or a twin flame that sees you shining bright, that sees you loving yourself, and this person is feeling ashamed that they was actually secretly in cahoots or cohorts with your deceitful family, or with their family, or with a cousin here. They were actually in cohorts with them. This person really wanted to ruin your life, but the Most High God showed you the truth about them and you pulled back your energy right on time. This person is buying into something, but this person is also having a major awakening to the fact that you are their actual soulmate and they literally tried to ruin you. And this person is in deep regret about this. Okay, because you guys were supposed to be some sort of power couple, but this person ruined the contract between you and them. Okay, because somebody here had a bisexual secret as well. So that definitely ended the contract between you guys. So now you guys are coming into contact with somebody new. The Most High God has restored your energy right now, your blessings, your love life is being restored, your abundance is being released to you now. So you are about to come into contact with a divine being just like yourself. You are about to come into contact with your divine counterpart, and this energy is coming towards you very quickly. So please don't block your blessings because you're too stuck in the past about what other people did. Okay, yes, you need to be guarded towards past people because past people, okay, they played an important key of your life to put you down a dark path, to cause you tower moments or endings because it was orchestrated that way. These were your karmic exes or family members, okay? So just let that go and just know that the person God has for you is not going to be anything like those people. This person is going to be on a divine path just as yourself. This person is finding their purpose. This person is a healer and an empath or a shaman energy. Okay, if you guys haven't done the meditation I posted earlier, please take your time out for 8 minutes of your time and do that meditation to transmute energy, transmute dark energy into positive energy. If you guys are feeling drained or you guys are feeling heavy energy being sent towards you, spiritual attacks, because this is the full moon energy that just happened. So yeah, you need to really always rejuvenate your energy all the time. Something's being done to you all the time. Somebody is just really obsessed with your energy. And somebody keeps getting readings. There's a group of people or individuals that keep getting readings about you, okay, because they want to know what's coming towards you, and they're finding out that you have this major blessing, that you have this divine counterpart that is coming towards you, that you have a lump sum of money, or you have a business that's taking off, and you are going to be the wealthy lady or the wealthy man. Yeah, and these people know about your major blessings, so that's why they're doing the most. They're trying to distract you, but they know that you were meant to be in the spotlight, or they don't want you to be seen in the spotlight. They want to kind of like shadow ban you or like do invisible spells on you, so that way no one recognizes you. They're just making you more popular. So somebody could have been sending somebody towards your business, online business, or in your business if you have a shop, just to try to target you, just to try to purchase a product or a service. just to try to say that, your product or service isn't good enough or isn't good, or that you try to scam them, making up some sort of lies. This was being orchestrated. Somebody was in competition with you, felt like you were like, it's almost like somebody thought you were trying to steal their spotlight, but you're very genuine and you stand in your own power, you stand in your own truth, you build something by yourself. You don't have to copy no one's work, or you don't have to steal no one's customers or clients, but someone feels like you are a competition for them. Like, yeah, they feel some type of way about you, okay? Yeah, so they could have been sending people to troll you online, to target you online, to scam you online, but you guys are 10 steps ahead. You ain't clicking on any suspicious links. Don't give anybody information that you don't know online. Don't answer to any emails that look suspicious. Just know that there's like an all-time high of hackers and scammers going on out there. So just protect your information, guys. Just remember that. I got some names here in my message here. You changed the game on these people. You literally changed the game on these people. Okay? You bring so much light to the room. You bring so much light to people's lives. You heal other people. You're very intuitive, and this is blinding these people. Their evil eyes are being like it's like their evil eyes are really backfiring. They're being blinded. Yeah, you broke out of the orchestrated simulation of your life, of your family, of your friends, of your community. So now they're very disturbed by your spiritual growth, and your energy is untouchable. You're like a freaking firework. The spark you have is incredible. It's like, let it shine, okay? And then I heard, this little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Yeah, they don't want you to shine your light, but you're gonna let it shine, because every day you wake up more intuitive. Every day you're moving forward to a new life here. Every day you're transmuting these energies. That's your superpower. Okay, yeah, like I said, your lights, your phone could be acting up. Your lights could be twitching, or like dimming down or turning off. There's supernatural things going on because your ancestors are in your home. They're trying to show you something. But someone here, you have a huge blessing coming and a love offer of a lifetime. You guys are gonna have a love offer that you can't refuse, and yeah, and you're not gonna ever look back to the past, because you received the golden key. Your ancestors are initiating you. You're being set free. You have a golden ticket. Okay, you have knowledge and information. You have creativity. You're coming out of your shell right now, and it's like, I'm coming out. I want the world to know. Gotta let it show. Wow. So yeah, you're coming out. You're letting the world know that you are very intuitive, gifted. You're shining bright right now. You're seen in the public eye. These people try to fool you, but they're fools. Yeah, once you pass this test, your ancestors are, you passed a major test, right? You guys just passed a major test. You could have dodged a major bullet. You could have refused somebody's offer here, but you're being rewarded for that. I got a couple names before I end this video. I heard Diane, Diana, Leslie, Caroline, Carolyn, Charles, Charlie, James, Jameson, Pierre, Thompson, Thomas, Lakeisha, Lucretia, Jeanette, Ariana, Adriana, Ashley, Cindy, Nikki, James, Jamie, Sean, Antonio, Johnson, and Jones. Those could be last names. Okay, so this is your message, my loves. I hope this helped. If you guys need a personal reading, reach out to me. My email's down below. Thank you so much for all your love, gifts, and donations, for your time, and all the love that you guys sent to me, and for emailing me. Thank you so much for all you guys sending your prayers towards me and protecting me as I channel the messages for you guys. I love you guys so much. Till the next time, namaste.